Hey everyone, Brock here. Just wanted to share with you all a quick and easy way in which you can embed some of your learning content within your Moodle books. Now the code itself can be found in the document here. I will also include it in the comment section down below of this video, and I'll also include it in the Teaching Matters site. What you can do is simply take this piece of code here, and you just simply replace whatever learning material you would like to embed in this section here. So to do so, let's run through a quick example. So here we are in my anatomy and physiology course site. And let's say I want to embed my learning slides within one of my learning content tiles. So what I'm going to do is open up my week 1 learning content. I'm going to make sure that editing is on, and I'm just going to create a new page. Now you can title this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it slides. And it is in this content part that I want to paste the code that I showed earlier. Replace URL here. Again, we need to put whatever the material is that we're wanting to embed. So I'm going to go back to the main page here, and we can see I've got my slides. What I'm going to do is right click and click copy link address. Now, depending on the browser you're using, this could also be called copy address, but it's very important that we do it this way. What we do not want to do is to open this file and try to copy it this way, or to open up the PDF in a new tab and copy this. That's a big no-no. You do not want to do this. The reason for that is because yes, it will work in this trimester, but in a subsequent trimester, that link will break. So we want to avoid that. And the best way to avoid it is to simply go to the resource, right click, copy link address. Now I'm going to go back to my Moodle book that I want to paste this in, and I'm going to click paste. Now I have this code. I want to highlight it. I want to click cut. I'm going to hit the little drop down menu here, and I'm going to hit this little less than greater than symbol. This symbol represents HTML. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to hit paste. Now, when I hit that button, we can see that my resource has embedded nicely into my Moodle book. So if I scroll down and hit Save Changes, we can see, okay, good, my PDF has loaded, but it's not looking very great at the moment. Okay, the width looks okay, but the height is not quite what I would like. So we can actually control this. So if we go back into the Moodle page, click the little drop-down menu, and we hit the HTML code button. By clicking this, we can see here is the URL, but then there are some sort of parameters just after it. Width, 100%, height, 300. So the height is what I had a problem with. So if I change that 300 to say 900, hit that HTML button and then hit save, we can see that height is a lot better now. This gives you a little bit of control on being able to sort of finely tune the height and width of the material that you're wanting to embed. So guys, I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you next time.